Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you a photo editing tutorial on EPIK on how you can add timestamps into your photo on EPIK. So here I've already import a photo to the EPIK apps, and then here you can just after you finish your edit, let's say that you want to add a timestamp. So what you guys can do is just swipe on the menu at the bottom until you find timestamp. So click on that, and there will be lots of template of timestamp template that you can use, but you can also adjust the time set first. So you can choose between these three options. You can use the original time of the photo, you can use the current time you edit your photo, or you can also adjust it manually like this. I'm going to just use the original time, and just like that. After that, you can just choose which one that you want to use. Let's say I want to use this timestamp. Just click on that and choose where you want to put the timestamp, for example in here. And when you like with result, just go back, and then the timestamp will be there like this. Okay, you can just click on the arrow to save your photo. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like this video, and also subscribe. Bye.